I'm going to show you how to cut Mortensen Math blocks. You need a few simple tools: a ruler, a knife, and a hammer. Start with the one block. We measure to see how wide it is. It shows it's a ½ inch. We want to cut it in half. It's going to be 1/4. So we measure there, take our knife there, we check the other side there, make sure we're good. Once we're good on both sides, take your hammer and very lightly tap on the block. Once you're through the top, you can take the block out. Then you just take your knife where you see your cut line there, and you can cut right down the side. There's one. And then you flip to the other side there, this side here, and you cut it. Once you've cut it right through, there you go. 2 pieces. The same process is for the 2 block. So we put our knife there at, oops, at a 1/4 inch there, 1/4 inch there. So then we take our knife, tap it, and take it out, and we go just cut right down. One, oops. And there it is. And again, we go through the same thing with the 3 block. We set this end here. And as the bigger the blocks get, you might want to just do right on one side, a little tap. And on the other side, we do the same thing again. We do a little tap here. And now you can see your 2 little small cut lines there and there. So we just have to extend the blade a bit further. And we line up those 2 cut marks. Right there and there. And then we tap. And we just have to cut down, and there you have it. There's the 2 pieces right there. Now, as the bigger the blocks get, you'll have to keep extending your blade, and when you get to some of the longer blocks where it is longer than the blade, like this here. So what we have to do here is we have to start right at the back here. There's your 1/4 inch right there. You have to do a little tap there. And then we got that there. Then we have to go out here and do the 1/4 inch tap right out there. So you've got a mark, and then on the other end. So now we can retract this knife a little bit and take it from there to there. And right there, and you start. And then you go back to the other end, back to that mark in the middle there. take it out. You go back to this mark here, back to that one there. There it is there. Then you just have to finish off by cutting the ends, and there you have that block there. Okay, so you saw how we cut the blocks in half, and the process goes for all the blocks. You know, you got the 4, the 5, a 6, an 8, a 9, there's the 10. So it's the same process. Measure, tap, tap, tap. When you're using the hammer, don't bang it really hard. Light taps till it breaks through. And there you have it.